These roses are going to last you forever. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this set of brick building roses. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So these brick building roses are beautiful. I absolutely love the shine that they have to them. So my husband was kind enough to take the time to put these together for me, and they turned out amazing. The instructions were fairly straightforward, and they really didn't take that long to assemble. I do want to note that the petals can be a little bit fragile when you're popping them on where they connect. So don't overdo it with the force on those. Just take it easy. You do get extra petals, so if you do end up breaking one, there are extras. We didn't break any when we put ours together, but it was something I wanted to note because we noticed it was a little bit fragile there. You get 3 red roses, 2 pink, and 1 white, and they have these really nice long stems. You can see here, when they're in the vase that we made, does not come with it, but we did make this vase, that the roses can be opened or closed. You just slightly move the petals to the position you like most. These are just so cute. I love the shine they have. I love that they're going to last a heck of a lot longer than real roses. Drop them in a vase and they make an awesome gift or decoration. If you're looking for a beautiful brick building set of roses, we recommend these.